All right, so if you have tried solving Screen 5 on your own, meaning you tried working through the problem and you used your notes, but you're stuck, this is where you need to be. If you've not tried it on your own yet, pause this video, get your notes out, and try to solve the problem on your own. Now, as we're working through this, make sure that you're not just watching me solve this until the very end, but you are pausing the video, you're taking notes, you're making sure that your notes, your screen, looks exactly like mine. So I've got an inequality, and I know that I need to find the solution, and then I'm going to have to graph the inequality on the number line. Now, this one looks a little bit funky because I've got all these fours in the denominator. So I am going to use Desmos to help me with this as we're moving forward. Now, as I said, this is my inequality. This piece here is in red, and then this piece here is in green. So we've seen these before. We just have fractions now, so we can definitely do this. This y divided by 4 is shown here, and it's also shown here. It means the same thing, y divided by 4. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of this negative 9 over 4, or sorry, positive 9 over 4. I'm going to subtract and make it minus 9 over 4. So if your Desmos scientific calculator is not up right now, go ahead and pull it up. I'm going to come to Desmos. I've got 7 over 4 minus 9 over 4. Minus 9 over 4. Click on this button here to convert it to a fraction, and I get negative 1/2. So I'm left with negative 1/2 is less than y divided by 4. Okay, now I know that this is y divided by 4, and I need to get rid of this 4. So I'm thinking, what is the opposite of division? How can I undo this? And the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. Now I'm going to go back to Desmos, and I've got negative 1/2 times 4. So negative 1/2 times 4. Beautiful. I get a whole number, negative 2. So after all of this is done, I'm just left with negative 2 is less than y. Now I'm going to come over and do the exact same thing on the green side. So again, the first thing I need to do is get rid of the 9 over 4. So I'm going to subtract 9 over 4 from both sides. Again, Desmos is our best friend. I've got 13 over 4 minus 9 over 4. And I'm left with 1. Beautiful. So the y divided by 4 comes down. The inequality sign comes down. And then this simplifies to 1. That's what Desmos told us. Now, just like I did on the red side, I have to multiply by 4 on both sides to get rid of the 4 on the bottom. So then I'm left with y is less than 4. So now I've got my two pieces of the inequality. I'm going to put them together. So negative 2 is less than y, which is what I have in red. And then I have y is less than 4 in green. That is my solution. Now, if I'm ready to graph this, I've got negative 2 is less than y, is less than 4. I am going to draw circles over my numbers, negative 2 and 4, and these are going to be open circles because this is a less than sign. It's not less than or equal to, less than. So I'm going to find negative 2, draw my circle. I'm going to find positive 4, draw my circle. And now I'm just going to connect these to show my solution graphically. So we graph the solution on our number line.